people, big warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well today. If you're wondering why my hair looks a little bit wild, Cooper, if you're new, Cooper is my 18-month-old baby. He is asleep upstairs and his bedroom is next to the dressing room, so any chance of getting near a hairdryer or a pair of straighteners was zilch. So this is what we're working with. Au natural. But hi everybody, how is everyone? I hope you're all currently snuggled up on the sofa under a blanket or something with a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, or whatever your tipple is, because this is a lovely cozy autumn video coming your way. So I've already done my standard autumn B&M haul, but I hadn't yet been to Home Bargains. Loads of my friends have managed to find really cool things there, so I was super excited to get down there and have a look for myself, which I finally got around to doing yesterday. Me and my youngest, obviously my eldest was at school, I have a 5-year-old as well, he was at school, and me and my youngest went and had a little look-see. So I'm just going to show you what I got, guys. I got lots of autumn stuff. The one thing I was really hoping to get though wasn't there. I'll explain that in a minute. I got some home bits, I got some cleaning bits, some beauty bits. I got a Christmas present. Believe it or not, this is actually like my 5th or 6th Christmas present. And today is, what day is it today? September the 29th. I'm not even embarrassed, to be honest. I'm proud of it. Every year I'm like, I'm gonna have all my Christmas presents by the 1st of December, and I never quite manage it. It's gonna happen this year, guys. I've got a really good feeling. Anyway, shall we get started? I have got the receipt here if you're wondering how much things are. I feel like I should start with the autumn Halloween bits because that's the main gist of the video, isn't it? Because I might even start with my star buy. Normally I like to save my star buy till like mid-video at least, but I think I'm gonna go straight in with it. Doesn't that look like, you know, an expensive sort of boutique-y pumpkin mug that you see on these online homeware shops? But it was not expensive, let me tell you. It was £2.50. £2.50 for this adorable little pumpkin mug that I'm going to be enjoying my morning coffee in every day. Can we just take a moment? I mean, I'm coming on YouTube to film a YouTube video and I think that is acceptable. Covered in white paint because if you follow me on Instagram you will have seen that I've been like repainting marks on my walls. So I'm covered in white paint. My nails are horrendous. I actually just got off the phone with my mum because my mum is going to help me come with me this afternoon to get my nails done so she can sit with Cooper while I get my nails done. But off subject, but I couldn't carry on with the video letting you think that I think that's all right. It's not okay, so I'm just putting it out there. £2.50 for a pumpkin mug. I love him. I nearly got 2 and then I thought, you don't need 2. Like, Clint's definitely not bothered about having a pumpkin mug. But I don't need 2, don't be silly, Ellie. 1 is plenty, and I'll leave the others there for someone else to treat themselves. But there you go, starting with my star buy. Go and get yourself a £2.50 pumpkin mug. This one here is a little treat for the boys. They had, I think they had a few designs, but they had some little Halloween themed bath bombs. And it made me think, I don't think Leo has ever had a bath bomb before. At the grand old age of 5, I don't think he's ever opened one or seen what they do in the bath. So he will lose his mind when we do this. So we're gonna do this in the bath tonight and I'm really excited. He's going to love it. They also had some which were like surprise bath bombs, where they were bigger and there was obviously like a little toy inside. And I nearly got that one as well. But I thought, let's not overdo it. Let's see if he likes it first. He might hate it. And then I'll never have to get another bath bomb again. But it was 99p. 99p for a little treat for bath time. I thought that was really, really good. Oh God, this. I forgot I got this. Okay, I got this pumpkin stencil kit again for the boys. Well, for Leo really. Which is this one here. And I've just checked, it's £1.50, what a bargain. But basically there were 3 different designs and it comes with eyes and a mouth and like little accessories. So your little one, whether if they're too young to like carve a pumpkin, because it's quite tricky, isn't it, carving a pumpkin, he can decorate it with these little stick-on bits. So look on the back. Gives you an idea of what you can create. And there's 3 different designs. He will love doing that. He will absolutely love doing that, especially for £1.50. I went for the red design because red is his favourite colour. Now I wanted to get a autumn pumpkin candle, but the only ones they had were like melts, and I don't have a wax melt burner. They just make me a little bit nervy with Cooper being the age that he is. I just think he's gonna knock it and it'll go flying. I don't know, I just prefer a candle at this current moment in time. So they didn't have a pumpkin candle, but they did have their Christmas candles ready to go. And I saw this one and I remember this one from last year, and let me tell you, it is so good. And it smells stronger than Yankee. It's the Wickford & Sons, which is like the Yankee dupe. Personally, I think they smell stronger in scent gingerbread. It smells so, so good. Like, I'm still a bit full of cold and my sense of smell is still rubbish, but honestly, so good. So I know technically it's gingerbread and I'm a little bit premature there, but I don't care. £3.50 for 95 hours of candle burning. Oh God, Cooper's just opened his eyes. Go back to sleep. Just need 5 more minutes. Oh, he literally shut his eyes when I said go back to sleep. Just give me 5 more minutes, Coops. So on to like the cleaning and house sort of stuff now. I got a huge tub of stain removing powder. The pink stuff, oxy powder, stain remover. This stuff is really, really good. Just as good as like the top branded stuff, I would say. But it was £2.89 for this absolutely monstrous pot. Like, this will last me ages. I only really use this on my whitewashes, which I do at the weekend, like for all of Leo's school shirts, and this works great on it. So yeah, give it a go, because £2.89 for this much stain remover is brilliant, I think. Honestly, I look like a mad pigeon woman or something today, like, I'm so sorry. I can only apologise, but when baby's napping, there is nothing you'll do to risk waking him up, literally. Even if it means going on YouTube, looking like a mad pigeon woman. Okay, I got Leo his first grown-up electric toothbrush. So he has, at the moment, those toothbrushes where you press, I think they're called Firefly, you press and then it times it for a minute, so he knows he's doing it for a minute, but he's never had an electric toothbrush before. And you know what kids are like, they can be a bit lazy with the old brushing. Like, most of the time I go in there and do it myself because I think that was not a thorough brush. So what I'm thinking is, will he be a bit more thorough? It's electric and it's Batman. Let's try it. Good grief. Oh, see, that's interesting because the bristles aren't twisting. So hold on, the bristles don't actually move. It's just a standard toothbrush which vibrates. I don't want to put it in my mouth, but does that make a difference? I thought for an electric toothbrush the bristles needed to go like round and round. I mean, comment below if your kid uses one of these. Like, does it make a difference, the fact that it's just vibrating? Because I thought there was actually going to be some like rotation in the bristle area. I'm a little bit confused with that. He'll probably still love it, or he might hate it. I don't know, we'll find out at bedtime tonight, won't we? But I got him that, which was £3.99, so if he does hate it, I guess it's not the end of the world. I also just got him some more toothpaste because he needed some. And yeah, I'm a little bit confused there, but okay. Oh, this was a bit of a find. I've seen this all over Instagram. This is the Got To Be Glued Brows and Edges brush. And apparently this is supposed to be great for styling your brows, I've heard, and it's super cheap. So it's £3.29. And obviously like a decent brow gel can be really expensive. So I've been really intrigued to try this out if I can open it. It's alright. I mean, I need a mirror to do it like properly, but oh yeah, that's better. Oh, got it in my hair. Oh, oh, oh. Oh no, I'm gonna look even crazier. There's a stiff bit in my hair. I don't know if it's gonna keep those bits up. Let's see. Let's see if they still look absolute precision by the end of this video. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, jury's out on that one. And they've gone down already. Okay, yeah, that was £3.50, really well spent. Christ, for God's sake. I'll always be honest with you guys. It doesn't do much for the brows and it gets in your hair. Oh, and now that's absolutely stiff as a bone. Oh, I got a pack of these for Koopy. These look cute. The Fruit Works the Fruitworks Fruit Smiles in strawberry. They just look like a cute little snack to keep in the handbag. Let's have a look. It's absolutely super glued down. They don't want anyone getting into this. I'll just open one and see. 5 in the box. And they're just a little chewy. Oh, they're really soft. They're quite nice. I'll see if he likes those. Just thought it'd be something different. Emergency snack, you know how it is. I also got him something for the bath because he has like no bath toys at the moment. It's all just like Leo's superheroes basically, and then like a few cups. And I remember Leo had one of these when he was a baby and he loved it. So I got him a bath book. Super simple toy, but like I said, Leo absolutely loved his when he was little. So I'll give this to Cooper later. Leo can have the bath bomb, Cooper can have this, and we'll all have a lovely bath time. And that was £1.50. And here's my first Christmas present. I was hoping that they'd have some Pokemon stuff in there or some Baby Yoda stuff for Leo, although I have heard B&M has started to put out more like Christmas present stuff, and apparently they've got loads of Pokemon and loads of Baby Yoda. It's something I never thought I'd say on YouTube if your 5-year-old is into similar stuff, so I might go down there and have a look soon. But they did have a really cute little present for Cooper, which was this set of In the Night Garden figures. So they've got every single character in there, I think. Yeah, all the main ones anyway. No one cares about the Pontypines anyway, do they? And it was, what was it, £9.99 for all 6 of them. It says 18 months plus, so that's absolutely fine. I just thought that was a real bargain, and they're nice and, look, I can get them out actually. They're nice and chunky as well, like they're quite heavy and chunky, good quality. He's getting more into like figures. He likes like lining up all his animals and stuff like that. So I think he'll really love these. So there's a little Christmas present for Koopy. Because that brings me to the end. It was mostly joy with a little bit of disappointment and stickiness, but we're moving past that and it's fine. I am definitely going to go and enjoy a coffee in my new pumpkin mug before my baby wakes up, that's for sure. Go and sort out these atrocious nails. Next time you see me, I will have perfectly manicured autumn nails. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. When I did this, I also dragged Cooper into Poundland to see what stuff they had. So I do have a Poundland haul coming as well. I'll probably do that in the next few days, so look out for that. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so much as always. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I will see you lovely, lovely people in my next video.